This time around, we're taking a look at the Corgi 1978 catalog. Gotta love that it has the Bond Lotus Esprit on the front. And of all things, the first two pages stuck together as I was doing the recording. So we're looking at the close-ups of the Kojak car, Charlie's Angels, Starsky and Hutch's Torino, and then the 007 stuff, which is just fantastic. And the Lotus Esprit actually has rockets that shoot out the back. But now back to the original recording. Now, at the start of the Corgi catalog, these are all larger castings. These aren't 1/64th. For example, like this Batmobile is 144 millimeters long, so it's a larger scale. Holy play value, Batman! You gotta love it. The Batman Batbike is cool. The Bat stuff is all really cool. And apparently the Batbike is rocket firing. The Superman Supervan, which seems a little odd to me that there would be a van for Superman, but okay. I almost feel like, gee, did I miss a page here? Let's see. Vantastic, Rough Rider, Breaking Point van, Vanishing Point. Not Breaking Point. Coca-Cola van, the Chopper Squad, the Saints Jaguar XJS, more helicopters, different police cars, Police Jaguar. We have more over here. And once again, there's a recurring theme in these recent catalogs, and that's a patient on a stretcher. Chevrolet Superior Ambulance, Porsche 924 police car. Never seen one in real life. That's cool. The airport crash truck. I really like the styling of that. I mean, just the angle on it is nice. I do like that. That'd be something that'd be fun to customize. I've never seen one to start off with, so let alone customizing one would be interesting. Corgi Land Rover. Let's see, what's this over here? This is what? C-37 Fiat Carlsberg Powerboat set. That must be a Fiat X19. Interesting coloring on that. Oh, the camping set with barbecue and the chick laying out on the recliner. And then the circus set. That's interesting. You gotta love some of this. I mean, that's fantastic. The cannon shooting the guy out. Yeah, Fiat X19. I'm sorry, I like the Fiat X19s. I customized one within the past year, as I recall. It seems more recent than that. C288, the Minissima. That's cool. It's got to be a Pacer. 291? Yeah, AMC Pacer. My dad took me, when the Pacer came out, my dad took me to go see it in the showroom because he was going to get one. And then I saw it, and I thought it was absolutely horrid, and I realized he was joking. He thought it was absolutely horrid, too. Fortunately. The race cars are nice. The race cars are nice, and then you come over here, and there's the AMC Pacer Rescue. Yeah, you need to be rescued from the AMC Pacer. It's a trippy car, though. I mean, it's, you know, if you ever want to put a fishbowl on wheels, that's a good example. Construction stuff. Then they throw a Mazda little pickup in the mix. That seems totally out of place. Like they just go, oh, hey, let's stick the Mazda here. (1902) State Landau. Used by Her Majesty the Queen on Jubilee Day, 7th of June, 1977. Huh. You have to love it. Inner city minibus is kind of neat. Concords. The city buses. A Routemaster bus. London Routemaster bus. Disneyland open top bus. That's an interesting security van. I don't know that I like it. It's just interesting. And car transport's kind of cool. Kind of cool, kind of clunky. Just something about it seems clunky. The sign, does that come with the sign? C413. Elevating platform, bollards, and warning signs. It sounds like this is just the kit. It doesn't include that back sign. Racehorse transporter. Combine harvester. This is the whole agricultural set. Tarzan set. Welcome to my jungle. See me stand and swing through trees. See Jane and Boy with animal friends. There's the evil white hunter with this Land Rover. Oh, that's too good. And then we go straight into World War II stuff. That's just interesting to me. Oh, man. Tank transporter and Centurion tank. The tanks are cool. They have a real cool look to them. Bell Army helicopter. I bet that's really cool in person. Corgi Jr. This is what I'm more familiar with. These are the kinds of things I'd be working on. Helicopter, 007 helicopter. Charlie's Angels van. Triumph TR7. That's nice. That'd be nice to customize. Yeah, these are basically more like 1/64th scale. The Saints Jaguar. And then obviously some of these things aren't 1/64th. They're just small because you look at the size of the car and then you see the helicopter. Starsky and Hutch's Torino. Supervan, small scale. The 007 Lotus Esprit. Gotta love it. Right next to the AMC Pacer. Makes it look even better. Spider van. Telly Savalas. Kojak's Buick, and the Batmobile. The Spider Copter. That's interesting.
Batcopter. Fiat X19. They've got a lot of Fiat X19s running around this catalog, all different styles to them. Fireball van. Mobile shop. Twin packs. This twin pack seems particularly appropriate. Land Rover breakdown. So basically a tow truck. Pulling an AMC Pacer. Yeah, that's pretty accurate. Yeah, I don't have a problem with that gift set. Batmobile and Batboat. That's cool. See, I mean, some of these seem good. You got to laugh at the Pacer one. Mercedes and Caravan. I don't know about that. Kojak again with a helicopter and the Starsky and Hutch twin set. Their car and a police car. Bond set is a helicopter and the Esprit. Batman triple pack. Batmobile, Batboat, and Batcopter. Corgi Super. The garage. Kind of funky. Kind of funky looking. Very basic. Aero car is kind of cool. Car on clips to drive away. Huh. And then more haulers. Which makes sense. Army transporter and armored car. Sea train carrier. Oh, someone's checked a couple of these off in the catalog. Those are the first check marks I recall seeing. I don't remember seeing any other. Bird's Eye. Corgi gift sets. Again, there's something about the garages that just seem kind of funky to me. They're just awfully shoeboxy. The James Bond, The Spy Who Loved Me gift set. Like a little bit of everything in that thing, including a Jaws van. Wow. You gotta love it. That brings us to the back. Filling station set, police station set, fire station set. Police station set has a helicopter on top. That's kind of cool. These... I don't know why these, even though they are boxy, they don't seem as boxy to me as those other ones. But anyhow, there's the Corgi 1978 catalog. I hope you like this look through it. Thanks for watching.